How to archive products on Shopify mobile. To archive products on Shopify using the mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the store icon at the bottom. Then go to Products and scroll to your list or use the search bar to find the item you want to archive. Tap on the product to open its details, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Archive Product. This removes the item from your active store listings without permanently deleting it, which is useful if you plan to restock or bring the item back later. Archive products won't show up in your online store or appear in search results, but you can still access them anytime by filtering your product list to show archive items. Archiving helps you manage seasonal items or out-of-stock products without losing their data, and the whole process can be done easily from your phone with the Shopify mobile app. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.